Listen, if you're like every other American, every other household in the world for that matter, and you are swimming up to your eyeballs in plastic grocery bags, I have something for you. I'm going to change your entire life. It's a simple hack that I've learned that you're going to love. Stay tuned.
Last year, I didn't think that you would be here. Right now, every little thing that you need, every little thing you need, come me. All you have to do is believe. I'll never leave, and you can have it all. You can have it all. I'll never let you fall. And as long as my heart beats, you know that you got me.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Monet from the Society, and today I have some fun stuff for you, okay? Well, I think it's fun. You may think it's fun too. I don't know. But listen, it's definitely going to change your life. So if you're like me and every other American, every other household in the world, I know my parents in the Caribbean, they have the same issue, okay? And if you're like them and you struggle with having plastic bags everywhere, up to your eyeballs, up to here in just grocery bags. Every time you go to the grocery store, there's plastic bag after plastic bag after plastic bag. Now, I know these days people are getting more earth conscious, more earth friendly, and they're using recyclable bags where we can just take it to the grocery store, get our groceries, come back home, repeat, and don't have to mess with all the plastic. But listen, keep it real, keep it 100. Okay, I know you have somewhere in your house a cupboard, a pantry, a drawer, something that is overflowing with plastic bags. Am I wrong? Did I lie? Nope. Okay, so listen, I have a simple hack for you. You can still keep your plastic bags, but instead of having them bunched up all over the place, one stuff in the other, big mounds of just plastic bags, you can keep them neat and tidy in a little drawer, in a cute little space, and they won't ever be a problem ever again. All right, so here's what I learned. So I learned this trick from my roommate in college. She was from Mexico, and she showed me this thing, and it blew my mind. Like legit. I'm like, whoa, how did you do that? Where'd you learn that? And teach me, please. Okay? And she taught me, and now I'm going to teach it to you. So it's super simple, like I said, and you'll never be the same after this. Guaranteed. So you take a regular plastic bag. I have here a bag from Family Dollar. Regular plastic bag. So what you do, you take the bag, you kind of straighten it up, like so, and you take the straightened bag, the flattened bag, you see it's all flat and together, and you just begin to roll it. So you roll your bag. And at the end, that's not straight. At the end, you simply take all the air out. Okay? And after you roll the bag and taken all the air out, if I can get mine together, you simply take the bag and you wrap it around your two fingers. You take the ends and you simply roll and tuck it on the inside. See, you bring it through, you tuck it on the inside, and bam! You have a neat little plastic bag, ring, ball, whatever you call this. And listen, you can stack these up 3, 4, 5 high in a drawer, on a shelf, and keep them out of the way. So instead of having all of this going on, because I know this is what we do. Take it, stuff it in the drawer. Stuff it in another bag, stuff it in a box, stuff it wherever, right? Then you pull them out, you try to find the right one, you pull it. But listen, no more. I'll show you again. Take your bag. And that's it. And look, it stays together. It doesn't unravel if you do it correctly. It doesn't crumple. It stays together in one little ring. And now you have your plastic bag balls that you can now store neatly for all you neat freaks that hate plastic bags. Now you have a way to store them together. And now your OCD doesn't have to flare up. Trust me, I know. So there you have it. Any questions? Drop in the comments if you think this is a life hack, if you're going to change your life, and what do you think about my little trick, okay? And don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Listen, you know you want to share this because everybody needs this, okay? So share it, share. Like. Hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.